All right, now we're doing 8Q CSV representation of array. This is by Dmitry Kudla, and 91% of the people like it. We're going to create a function that returns the CSV, which is comma separated value, representation of a two-dimensional numeric array. So we're going to take these arrays, which are within this array, and make it into this, separated by these //ins. Array length is always greater than 2. Here's some more details. We don't need those details. All right, so for this one, we could do something like this. We could say let result equal an empty string so that we can put all these inside of here. And we could say for let I equal 0, while I is less than array.length I++, so that we can go iterate through the array. And then we could say result plus equals array at I, all right? Which, let's do a console.log right now so we can see what it looks like. Test that out. All right, looks like that right now, but we need to put these ins, these /ins at the end, but we don't need to put it at the end right here. So we're going to say, we could say if I equals or does not equal array.length -1, which is the last one of these, which is this one right here. If it does not equal that, we could say result plus equals, and then inside an empty string \in, test it out again, and it looks just like exactly like we want it. And we could say return result and test it out, and it would pass, and we could attempt it, and it would definitely pass. But look at all that typing. When we could just do this, we could say const to CSV text equals array, and then turn the rest of this into an arrow. And then down here say console.log, so it's easy to test while we go. Say array right here, test it out. Does exactly what we wanted in for the first one. Then we say .join. But if you don't know what the join method is, it creates and returns a new string by concatenating all the elements in an array, separated by commas or specified separator string. So right here, it's joining them by commas because it didn't specify anything. It's joining this one by the spaces in between characters because it's an empty string, and then this one's just by dashes because dashes is the character it's looking for. So, or it's joining by. So what we're going to join it by is this /in, \in. Let's test it out. Doesn't that look just like what we want? All right, let's get rid of this console.log, test it out again. And there we go, just a couple of keystrokes compared to that 7-line mountain, and then we're good. So submit it. All right, and you see here's this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. It takes a while to go to a for loop. They didn't do it like we did. They did a little less what we did. They did it with trim instead of with just putting the in at the one you need. And you keep going and you'll find all kinds of stuff. All right, let's go to mine. And what is it, 116 people? And these people think this is the best practice, or at least did it this way. Best practice, in my opinion, very much like this. And we'll see you next time.